Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of the photos using Capcut. So now I'm importing my image. Good. So let me import two images and then let me use it for the tutorial. So let me search for the images I want to use here. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to find that. Good. So these are the images. So I open them here. So I'll be doing two tutorials for you to grasp it. So I choose the first option. I add it there just like like that. So after adding the image, you can see remove background there. So you just need to tap on it. And now tap on the auto removal. Good. And it's done. And now let's check on the stroke. So stroke is for the margin. I think in my last video I talked about it. So you have a lot of options for the stroke. You can change the color, everything, the opacity and everything. So I'm showing you guys how you can do it. The edges, you can change the size of the stroke as well. I can minimize it, increase it. Yeah. And then the opacity I was talking about, I can make it dim and then I can make it very bright. That's it. So I'll be moving to the next image to do this. But before I do that, I would have to delete the old image. And now I use the new image to do that. So a few seconds for me to delete the image. Good. So now let me confirm and then let me delete it and then let me start with another tutorial. So good. I have this one and the same procedure. I remove the background auto remover. And here too you get the strokes. Good. So the stroke is very important on my side. I don't know, that's why I'm kind of teaching you guys in all the videos. You can choose a lot of sizes just like you can change the color, you can change the size, and you can see here, let me change the color for you. I didn't do that in the other tutorial. So good, you can change the colors. So let's maintain our white here. You can change the size as well. Good. So let me change the color to red. Let me increase the size like that for you to see how it's going to look like. Now the opacity to dim the color, or I mean make it more brighter. So that's it on how you can remove background of images using Capcut. Very simple and easy. So if you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, I'll say thank you for visiting me once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.